What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to be getting into an install which I've been waiting for a long time. I've been sitting on this part for about maybe 2 or 3 months, and that's the Jdm Hazard Button. I know it doesn't really appeal to most people, but I'm into those little details. I'm into the little things that makes the car unique, and it even glows red in the dark. If you guys had seen my post on my community page, I did get my Monte Carlo steering wheel in. This we're gonna have to touch on another day, chasing Jay's titanium hardware, but I'm actually waiting on a buddy of mine. He has these steering wheel solution brackets for the cruise control and the volume button. I still wanna retain those, so I'm probably gonna wait until I get that in order for me to install it. And I also have the NRG hub as well as a quick release. So that will be in a future video. On the way to San Diego, my banner actually was peeling off, so I had to completely take it off. Still got a Spocom San Diego sticker. Yes, I plan on keeping that sticker on there as long as possible. So yes, let's get started. Hey, I'm Vic, and welcome to my channel. My videos mainly focus on my Honda Civic as I have a strong passion for Japanese cars, art, and anime. I do installs, product reviews, how-tos, and daily vlogs. Join me and my friends as I showcase their cars, attend cool events, and take you on some of my life's many adventures. My goal is to inspire others to pursue their passions through my automotive experiences. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video.
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the medical school?
What is that?
Okay, so everything was going according to plan up until this point. So underneath the radio, you have a cap that you saw me remove. Fairly easy. You take that off, and there's 2 8mm bolts in there. I had a tough time putting the socket on, trying to figure out the angle, especially with the center console in the way. I had to take the center console out. Mind you, it's like 90 degrees out, mosquitoes, flies, sweating, you know, the normal stuff that us Arizonians have to deal with. And here, I think I pulled a muscle in my neck too. But anyways, luckily one of my friends was home. I needed the extension for a 1/4 ratchet. Fast forward, I just went to Danny's. All right, so we made it to Danny's safe and sound. We got the radio pulled out. It was just basically some plugs in the back that you need to unplug. Fairly simple. With this switch, you have 2 Phillips head screws, and they're on there really tight for a reason, because if you don't tighten them all the way, it'll get loose. Now, I'm not sure who designed the one for the US, but man, I think it's really ugly, and it's just, I don't know, it just blends into the whole dash. It's not really, like a hazard button should be. guys, so I just got back home. Danny again came to the rescue. I can always count on him whenever I need something or there's something that I can't figure out or whatever. So yo, Danny, if you're watching, shout out to you. But yeah, we have the Jdm Hazard Button is currently on. And you can't really see it right now, but it does light up. I'm not sure if it shows on camera, but I'll probably get a better view later tonight, so that way you guys can definitely see how that looks in the dark.
The following day,
I did hit 3K subscribers, so thank you guys for supporting your boy. I'm gonna do a giveaway. I will be giving away free Amazon gift card codes. So I usually do is I put them in my videos, so you guys have a chance to win evenly. I'm not gonna say where or when and which video, but make sure you guys have post notifications on, so that way when my video comes out, you guys are aware and you guys can get free Amazon gift card codes. So I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys wanna check out any of my other videos, you can check these videos out here, or just click on my profile, subscribe to the channel if you guys want some more content on the Civic or just any JDM stuff, any cool events. Anyways, enjoy the rest of your guys' evening, and I will see you later. Peace.